Hey, fifth grade. For our next writing assignment, we are going to do a review of narrative writing. This narrative writing that we're going to do is a personal narrative that is going to be talking about the things that you've been doing um, during our time apart. Either exciting things that you've done, changes in your daily life or schedule that you've had to make, or just whatever you want to tell me about. Basically, I'm just interested in hearing about how things are going for everybody, what you guys have been up to in this time. Not only with things in school, but how has life at home changed? Are there different routines that you have to follow? Are there different responsibilities that you have? Um, so on and so forth. So I just want to hear about everything you've been up to since the last time we've been together, because it's been a while. For this, what we're going to do, we're going to make a Google Docs. We'll go to a blank Google Doc, and then all you have to do is write your name, and then you can do whatever you want after it. So let's say for me, I'll say Mr. Ops narrative. Nice and simple. Okay. These ones don't need a cover page or a title page. They don't need a header. They don't need page numbers. If you want to make a title on it, that's totally fine. And as in school, there is no page limit. Just write till it's good. I really want to know about what's going on in your life right now. Even though there isn't a page limit, I really want you guys to think about, showing me the best that you can do as far as writing is going. So, if you go and you write 5 sentences about what you've done over these past, almost month, 3 weeks or so, month basically, definitely not going to cut it. Okay. Take some time, really think about what you want to tell me about, what's going on and things like that. Go into detail. I not only is this to show me that you're good at narrative writing, but I am genuinely curious to hear about what your life has been like since the last time I've seen you. Once you've titled it, make sure you go and share it to me. We'll be working on these today. Wednesday, we'll either be finishing them up or maybe adding some to them, because obviously some things might have happened between today, Monday, and Wednesday. And yeah, and if you want to take pictures too, some of us are starting to get better at being able to put pictures up, and you want to include those, awesome. Totally up to you. I'm excited to see what you guys come up with.